In 1 Corinthians 13:4-7, the Apostle Paul reminds us that love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. In a world filled with strife and division, we are called to be beacons of God's love. Let us strive to embody patience when faced with frustration, to show kindness in a world that can be harsh, and to practice humility even when pride tempts us. Love is not merely a feeling, but a choice we make every day. It is in the small acts of kindness, the forgiving of past hurts, and the constant pursuit of peace that we truly reflect God's love.